What is up everyone, welcome back. Today we are checking out this robotic lawnmower for large yards up to 1.73 acres. It handles extreme 45-degree slopes with RTK VSLAM navigation and AI obstacle avoidance. No perimeter wire needed and multi-zone mapping lets you customize different areas. Cut height adjusts from 1.2 to 4 inches. The RTK VSLAM navigation combines satellite positioning with visual mapping for centimeter accuracy without boundary wires. It works even under trees where GPS weakens. AI obstacle avoidance detects objects in real time and navigates around them. Slope handling up to 45 degrees opens up steep properties that defeat most robotic mowers. The drive system maintains traction while safety sensors prevent tipping. Coverage up to 1.73 acres means it handles large properties on a single charge with auto return and resume. Multi-zone mapping through the app lets you create separate areas for front yard, backyard, and garden beds. Each zone gets its own cutting height and schedule. Cut height from 1.2 inches for manicured lawns up to 4 inches for taller grass. No perimeter wire means no digging or installation headaches. The floating deck follows ground contours for even cuts on uneven terrain. If you want wire-free robotic mowing for large steep yards with smart navigation, this one delivers. Link in description. Thanks for watching.